We've been chasing this dream of flying cars since the Jetsons. Sci-fi has led us to believe that we're going to be having these vehicles, but it's really not the case. eVTOL stands for Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing. It is a vehicle electrically powered that can lift off the ground vertically, then go forward to a certain destination, and then land vertically as well. And there are a number of companies at advanced stages of creating these vehicles, but we're some way away yet. There are a number of ways that these eVTOLs could be piloted. Most of the ways at the moment seem to be focusing on having an actual pilot, a human at the helm. So they have to be certified, they have to be made legal, they have to obviously have the regulations and how they would fly, where they would fly, who's going to be in charge, who's going to be responsible, whether the vehicles are going to be safe or not. And this is what's holding these vehicles back. It's an interesting question talking about how eVTOLs will fit into the cityscape, because cities are already very crowded, and so where will you use them? Most people right now are saying they're going to operate as a taxi service, so going from existing heliports and then off to heliports, say at the airports. So utilising the existing infrastructure in cities in order to make these things work. So there you've got some pinch points too, because those infrastructure points are already being used by helicopters and other aircraft, and so you've got to actually fit in with those, you've got to fit in with their flight plans, and also then you've got to work out how to charge them, and no one's got to that point yet. There is a use case for these things, of course, but if we are just going to be replacing existing technology, i.e. helicopters, and if it's only going to be for the wealthy, then maybe we don't need it either, because it will not deliver this sort of transformation of our society that some of the companies promise it will. Don't bet against eVTOLs not coming about though, because it will happen. We are already well down the road to making these things a reality. How many and where they're going is another matter.